Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate in your iPhone easy click state. Whether you want to translate text, voice or photo, I will walk you through everything. First, you need to install Google Translate. Open the App Store, go on your iPhone, tap the search bar, type Google Translate and download the app. Once it's installed, tap to open it. At the top of your screen, you will see two boxes. The language you have, the language you want to translate to. Tap other box to change the language. For example, choose English to Nepali, French to English, anything you want. Tap to text option. Now tap inside the big white box and start typing your sentence. As soon as you type, Google Translate shows the translation below. You can also type the speaker icon, hear the translation spoken aloud. Tap the voice option, tap microphone and speak your paraphrase clearly. Google Translate will listen and show the translation on screen. You can also play the translation to let someone hear it. Tap the camera option for instant translation. Point your iPhone to any text. Google Translate will convert the text right on your screen. You can also take a photo and highlight the words you can translate. Tap conversation mode. Your iPhone listens to both languages and translates them in real time. Perfect for talking with someone who speaks a different language. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.